Getting a home ready for market can be really overwhelming, but I wanted to bring you to this property because I am getting ready to put it on the market, and we're in the throes of getting paint done, cleaning done, yard and landscape done. It's gonna be a super fun transformation. Stay tuned to the very end where you can see the before and after. It's gonna be amazing. Come inside. This seller is getting ready to relocate out of town. He has given me carte blanche. Actually, he's given me a budget. And there were some few key things that I wanted him to do to prepare the home for sale. Number one was a fresh coat of paint. Some of the walls needed some painting, especially in this great big entry. It was important that we do a bunch of touch-up. They had pictures and things like that on the wall, so we had lots of nicks, so that when a new owner comes in, it looks fresh and perfect. There was also some work that needed to be done up here in the ceiling. Fernando with In and Out Painting is the bomb. He's my guy, he does it all. Team awesome here. So we had some work that we needed to do up there, and then some additional room. The master, the primary suite, needed some touch up. So paint is such an easy way to make a big improvement on the house for getting it ready for sale. Some of the other things that we're gonna be doing is a big deep clean. So the seller's already started decluttering. I'll talk more about that in a little bit, but getting a home cleaned is perfect. And even with a cleaning lady that's coming in all the time, boy, there's the daily grind of people living here, animals and so forth. We need to get this home smelling and looking beautiful. So this homeowner had made some great touches. He neutralized all the walls. I'm gonna guess when they bought, it looked a lot like this room where brown was everywhere. Given the age of the home, late 1990s, that was sort of the thing. And now they've come in with these soft grays, that beautiful blue in the front living room there. So I wanted us to paint this room as well, because I feel like it will help make it all feel cohesive on the main floor. There are a couple of rooms that do have accent colors. We're gonna leave those alone. We can't go too crazy. I do have a budget, but this one was really important to help tie this room also with the whole entryway. So it'll be the same color. The seller has already done a great job starting to depersonalize. They've taken down a lot of their collectibles and a lot of the pictures off the walls. This is such an important process. One, I really feel like it gets you ahead on the packing because everything's got to go when you move, right? So the other thing is it will allow the new owner, potential buyer, to imagine their furniture, their stuff, their pictures, their collectibles in the home. I wanted to show you this living room. This is a great space. It's got an incredible view over the back patio and pool. But there's a lot of furniture in here. It's great for them. They entertain, they love this space, but we'll probably be removing about half of these pieces. My stager is gonna come in. She's gonna make the recommendations. We may change out some of the wall art as well, just to simplify this space. Again, it allows a buyer to imagine how will their furniture look in here. We'll go ahead and do all of that throughout the home, just making simple little modifications. I'll tell you, a willing seller who gets this idea that we wanna prep the home so that it shines like a diamond in the market is such a critical partnership to getting the most money for the home in the shortest amount of time with the least complications. And that's always my goal. One of the great features of this home in particular is this dining room and how it's open to the kitchen and the living room. So it's really important that we declutter and make this look as big as possible. They've got the collection up top. They've got these beautiful pots and pans hanging here and quite a bit towels and so forth. All that needs to be packed up. So all that's gonna get cleared off. I want all the countertops empty. Again, a big deep clean is on the way. I can't wait to show you the after on this, but we really want all the space to be clear of any collectibles. It just makes it feel bigger and shows off all the counter space that's available for cooking and working in. We're in the backyard. You know, curb appeal is everything, and so is the backyard, so we don't want to forget about it. This home has a fantastic pool, outdoor kitchen, covered patio, big lawn area over there and so forth. They've already started the process. Pool just got serviced. They're getting it all cleaned. It's gonna be gorgeous. We're probably gonna remove about half of this patio furniture. Again, just trying to simplify and clean up a bunch of things. The yard, they've already started on the mulch and bark and getting the bushes trimmed up. We're gonna fill in those beds and so forth. Again, the whole idea is to make this place shine like a diamond. This is a luxury home in the Yakima market. Will be priced right around $800,000. So it's really important that it is spit spot and looking the absolute best it can. Getting your home ready for market really is an overwhelming process, but I want to assure you, working with me or any professional, we have a whole team. I've got plumbers, carpenters, painters, cleaners, carpet stretchers, lawn guys, you name it. We've assembled a team so that we can take care of our clients and get it all done. I want to make this as easy as possible for you, but I also want you to know I'm here to guide you and coach you. We'll work within a budget. I promise I won't spend a bunch of money, but getting these things done is so important so that you get to maximize your return and again, move as quick as possible and have the least amount of headaches. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes and kind of get an idea of what it's really like to get a home ready for sale. If you like this content, be sure to hit like and subscribe to learn more about what it means to live in the Yakima Valley.